Hey, this is Doug from Doug and NIKI, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio, and you are watching this cool new drone fly and do stunts. So I'm gonna let you watch that while I tell you a little bit about what's gonna be in this video. First, we're gonna watch it fly. Then I am going to give you a review from 1 to 5 of this drone. And then in the end, I'm gonna do a full unboxing, tell you about all of its features and that kind of stuff. So in the meantime, let's watch it for a couple seconds fly, and then I'll come back, I'll give you that review. Okay, I have never particularly been a micro drone fanboy, but I love this thing. Easily, let's just start it off as a 6 out of 5 because this thing was awesome. Flew it at night a lot. These little LEDs are great. You can see it. It is fun to fly. Super controllable. Does awesome stunts. Not sure what else I should say about it. Oh, and obviously it folds up into the controller, which is super duper cool. It is a little bit of a downside that it doesn't have like an exchangeable battery, but you just play with it for a while. The battery lasts a decent amount of time, actually, I will say also, because I don't just I'm never just flying around. I'm like doing flips and spins and stuff, and it still lasted a good like 6-7 minutes. Absolutely, this little drone is a 5 out of 5, 6 out of 5, maybe even a 7 out of 5 if you take into account what this actually, I'm not allowed to say, on Amazon. But in any case, yeah, this thing is great. Let's go check out the unboxing. Okay, welcome to the past. This is so interesting because on paper, this thing looks ridiculous. I'm so curious how my review was because this is, for what this costs, it has so many features. It has to be so fun. So let me open it up and I'll tell you about it. So this is obviously a beginner drone designed for kids and teenagers to play with. Comes with an instruction manual. Please read the instruction manual. It makes a big difference in terms of your play and how fun it is. Comes with a charger for the battery. So there is no camera on this drone. This is just a fly it around. I know it said Nano drone, but I did not expect it to be this small when I opened this up. Hold on 1 second. The drone fits in the remote control. So when you're traveling, you take the drone, you put it in the remote control. Look at that. It's in the remote control, and then you go. Oh. That is crazy. I just love that. Look at that. Here's the drone. You fold it out. It does all the things you want to do. It does the flips. It has the position hold. It has the spins. All of that. I am just blown. I hope it flew and did really well because this thing is so ridiculously cool. It does have some of those key features for beginners. It has the headless mode. It does the high-speed spins. It has the 1 button to return, 1 button take off and land. I don't know what else to say. I guess the only thing I need to do is I need to charge this thing up and go fly it. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.